just K1. You're watching KTV. This is my Valentine's part one of my Valentine's Day special. And welcome, newbies, returning folks. Come on in, get a cocktail, check out my crazy. Anyway, I want to speak to you about Valentine's Day in general. Okay. I know that some people say Valentine's Day is for the ladies and Sweetest Day is for the men. Scratch all of that. It's 2022. Get your life. Valentine's Day could be for anybody. Sweetest Day could be for anybody. Love on yourself. Love on your mate. If you're single, like I am, moi, treat yourself. So I'm going to give you a couple of things for your Valentine's Day that'll get you through it. All right? All right. So this is mainly for the single folks. I'm sorry for the couples and the married people. Y'all can get yourself together, okay? But for the single people, these are a couple of things that I researched and I got information on. A couple of things you could do on Valentine's Day. Take the day off. Treat yourself. Hair, nails, feet, everything. Haircut, hairdo, whatever. Treat yourself. Take the day off. Take it off. Number two. That was number one. Attend a Valentine's Day party. So a Valentine's Day party normally happens on the 13th, which is the day before Valentine's. And it's normally a party or a gathering of you and your best girls just kicking it, having cocktails or dinner or whatever. Sometimes they're, it could be for singles, but it's all chicks, it's all females or whatever. You could put your own twist on that. You can host a Valentine's party. You can attend a Valentine's Day party. Get your Valentine's on. Number three. Go out to dinner. Treat yourself. Now, one thing I want to tell you is don't wait till the week of to try to book reservations, because on the pre, what you should have been doing was in the month of January or maybe December, you should have got on all your social media, on your Facebook events and different things, reach out to different people and say, hey, are you doing something for Valentine's? Is it a party or something going on? Is it a gathering going on? I want to, an open mic or something that I can get in on, that I can attend. So you should have already done this before the week of Valentine's Day. You could find out, you should have found out what's going on in your area, whatever social scene. So then you trying to get into some of these things wouldn't be a disappointment if you tried the week of Valentine's Day, which you should have already reserved or booked. So you had to do a little homework before the date. So that was the little pre. So number three, go out to dinner, treat yourself. But like I said, the reservation, I don't know. On Valentine's Day, the reservations are everything is booked up. So like I said, you should have pre. Number four, because I did. Okay, number four, set your house up in the Valentine's Day theme. Dollar Tree works every time. Family Dollar, Dollar General. You ain't got to go all out spending a whole lot of money. It's on a weekday probably, I think. I don't know. You can have flowers, candy. You can shop for Valentine's Day decorations. You can have desserts. You can get you a Valentine's Day shaped pizza, a Valentine's Day shaped cookie, a Valentine's Day turkey burger. Anyway, set it up for yourself. I specifically talk to the singles. Get creative now. Number five, treat yourself to jewelry and outfit, home decor, shoes, electronics. Get some off your Amazon wish list. Treat yourself. Treat yourself. Number six, binge watch Valentine's Day or romantic movies with takeout. Get you some Chinese food, girl. Uber Eats. Get it. Valentine's Day love movies, romantic movies. It's a weekday or whatever. Get yourself together. You might have to get up and go to work the next day, but you can have a good time the night before by yourself. Number seven, do something for someone else. So, a relative. Take treats up to the school. You don't always have to do something. It doesn't have to always be relationship-wise that you do something for somebody. You could pay it forward at the Dunkin' Donuts, at the Starbucks. In the name of Valentine's, in the name of love. So, do something for somebody else. Your mom, your sister, your brother, your aunt, whoever. Do something for somebody else that you love. Number eight, we all love sweets and chocolate. So get you the most expensive chocolate at Godiva at Macy's. Get you some chocolate covered pretzels, cookies, everything. And indulge. You can do it. It's one day. You will be all right. And number 9, which is probably 8.5, Take advantage of all them after Valentine's Day sales. Because you know all that damn candy going to be on sale at Walgreens, Walmart, everywhere. It's going to be reduced down to 50, 75% off. Get you some candy. So you don't have to pay the expensive price for some of the stuff. I mean, Godiva ain't gonna never be on sale like that with no 75% off. I'm sorry. Or probably Frango's. But at Walmart, Target, and all these stores, these smaller type stores, you could get candy the day after on sale. Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, Dollar General also. So get yourself some candy, girl. You ain't like now with the birthdays. They celebrating the birthdays all damn month. You can celebrate Valentine's all the month of February, the day after also. Like I said, you could do all those things I just mentioned. And being single ain't so bad. Being single ain't so bad. And don't think the single people are lonely. Because just let me break it down to you. It's the difference between being alone and being lonely. Think about it. If you've ever been single, think about it. It's the difference between being alone and lonely. So, all those things I listed for our single folks, get out there, do something, or do something in the house. You ain't got to go out and spend a whole lot of money. Dollar Tree is your friend. Family Dollar, Dollar General. You could put it together, get it together. You could be like me and be creative, but you'll be okay. And the next day is the 15th, so you'll be all right. Love on yourself, or love on someone, mother, father, sister, brother, auntie, your little puppy dog. Treat yourself, treat them, but you will be okay. We're gonna be all right, y'all. I'm a living testament. It's all right to be single. It's all right. You can go and come as you please, and it's all right to be in a relationship. I prefer to be in a relationship, but I'm not. But it's all right to be single. Don't look down on it. It's all right. We gonna rock and roll with the best of them, baby. So don't even worry about it. But happy Valentine's Day. Like I said, this is part 1 of a 2-part video, and the next video will be more treats, another cocktail. We're going to enjoy ourselves. You better enjoy yourself too. Don't sit back and wait on nobody. Don't. Move on, because time ain't waiting on you. So get yourself together and get you some damn Godiva chocolates or whatever the hell you got to get, some flowers, whatever. Treat yourself. Love on you. Remember, we talked about this. I'm not going to get into it, but you know what I mean. Get yourself together and enjoy Valentine's Day, no matter if you're a man, woman, dog, cat, rat, dog, whatever. Cheers. You are watching KTV. The name of my channel is It's Just K1. Please comment, like, and subscribe below. I thank you for joining me this evening. I'm going to get into this food and these appetizers, and I'm going to tear it up. And I'm okay. And I'm going to celebrate my Valentine's. And I hope y'all like my little apron here that I got from Home Goods. It's cute, ain't it? But enjoy yourself. Celebrate you. Step outside that box, girls. 2022. Or guy, step on out. Step on out. Do you. And enjoy yourself. Have some fun. Thank you for joining me. And I will wrap a taste with you later. I'll get back with y'all. Stay safe, stay well. It's just K1.